Hi, I'm Scott Levine with River City Print and Imaging, and our team is working hard to produce these protective face shields to protect you while you're helping others. This short video will give you the instructions you need to put the face shields together.
Your kit should come with everything that you see right here. A rubber band, a frame, a piece of foam, and the face shield. This face shield comes with a protective plastic liner. Step 1 is to remove the liner from both sides of the shield. You'll now need to take the foam piece included and apply it to the frame. Simply remove the backing from the adhesive foam, and then you'll place the foam directly onto the side of the headrest. Making sure that it's centered on the plastic piece, and then fold it over. The next step is attaching the shield to the head frame. You'll need to start by attaching the shield at the back on each side. Something you need to remember is to make sure that the frame is pointing up out of the shield. Next, you'll need to attach the shield to the hook on one side, and then to the hook in the middle, and then lastly to the hook on the other side. And we'll finish up by attaching our rubber band to the back.